What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna do is work on the geo tracker. We're gonna fix those two rust holes on the little door spots and possibly even the gas door. I might just buy a gas door, but if I have enough metal here, I'll use it to fix that. After that, I'm thinking, let me know in the comment section below, should I do a paint job or should I do a wrap? Now, I don't want to seem like I'm undecisive and stuff, even though that's basically what I am. But I'm thinking now, I originally bought this as a project to turn into an off-roader. Should I go ahead with taking out the back seat and turning it into a pickup truck? Because I don't really want to spend 500 bucks on a tarp for no reason. I just don't see the need to, when I can just spend a little bit of money, some creativity, and turn it into a mini pickup truck. I don't know. Things are all up in the air right now with this. It's so, you know what? I'm thinking like, I really don't know. I really don't know. I just put together the interior. Let me see what I can source out. Let me see how it goes. Let's just work out one thing at a time. So we're going to figure out the door. We're going to fix that. We're going to fix all the rust. And then we'll move on to what's going to go on next. Because before I even do anything body-wise, such as paint or wrap, I definitely want to have the interior decided, whether it's going to be the pickup truck or not. And I figured something out with the way the back seat opens. So the seat actually folds forward, which is like a mid-gate. And I saw the hinges that it's on. So I can use those existing hinges to make like a fiberglass wall and get like a plexiglass for the top and just put some insulation around and some rubber pieces so it doesn't leak. We can figure out something like that. My brain is just working in like different areas right now, thinking of what to do, and I can't even speak properly. Anyway, let us just focus on today's goal, fixing those rust spots on the door. Let's get it. Gotta be safe. Gotta protect the hearing. Oh yeah. Alrighty guys, so we are basically filling it now. Unfortunately, my filler turned to like rock in the can, but somehow I kind of revived it a little bit, and it's a little mushy, but we're just gonna work with it and see what happens, and we'll leave it to cure overnight if it does anything at all. And if it doesn't work, then I'll just buy a new set, but let's just use it and see what happens. Ain't no harm in trying. It'll just be extra tough, I guess. Yeah, Peter will probably hate me right now. He'll probably be like, what the hell are you doing, dude? But desperate time calls for desperate measures. Screw it. Fill all them holes up, little holes. Okay, that don't look that bad. It don't look that bad. Let's get the inside. Get this inside going. Okay. I think we're gonna end up needing a new can of filler because this filler is terrible and it's tough, and it probably was overexposed by air because I had that filler for about 6 years. So I think it's time we get a new filler. Let's see if that dries though. Let's see if it works. It's just an experiment. If it doesn't, I'll just sand it out and chip it away. But hopefully it works, and that'd be cool. Then I wouldn't have to buy more filler. But we might have to buy some though. Let's wait and see. Alrighty guys, that is all the time we have for this episode. So what did we do today? We ended up fixing the rust holes on the door. So we also filled it up with some body filler on this side. And we also worked on the passenger side and filled that as well. Hoping that this body filler actually holds up because it's so tacky. I've had this body filler for about 6 years now. And I don't know, but we'll see. And we also filled the gas tank. So the next step to that, which we'll check it out in the morning, see how it is, we'll sand it down, and then we will prep this for either paint or vinyl wrap. I have been wanting to practice the vinyl wrapping stuff. I think that would be something really cool. But if anything, maybe I can just get some cheap paint and paint it out in here. I don't know. Vinyl wrap might be a little bit less messy than the painting. So we'll see. I'll put a poll up, see what people want. Parts of me still wants to do this off-roading thing and not even sell it anymore. Especially looking at the back seats here. I'm really thinking about putting in that mid-gate. I just have no idea how I am going to do that. Looking at the rear seat, the part where you sit on actually folds up and flips up. So there are 2 hinges there. Maybe I can remove the cushion and figure out a way to fiberglass a midgate and try to work it that way. I'm not 100% sure. Also, the cup holders and stuff in the rear, I'm gonna have to remove out if I'm gonna do this and fiberglass a whole new side, like just make it flat. And I've never done this before. I don't even know where to start. Like, am I supposed to get foam board and then cut the foam board to how I want it and then put the fiberglass resin on it? If anyone else has done fiberglass before, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what's entailed in doing this. What do I need? What do I have to do? But just let me know what it entails. And yeah, help me out guys. Let's figure this out because I actually really do. I'm starting to like this tracker, and that's the problem with me. I end up liking things when I buy it as a project to sell or to just do something with. I end up liking it and want to keeping it. So help me figure it out. Let's see what we can do, and I'll check y'all for the next one. Peace. Before I leave, make sure you like this video if you did like it. Also leave a comment in the comment section below and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, because guys, I put new videos out every single day, and make sure you turn your post notifications on. Peace.